Hello people and welcome back to a new video here on the Swedish Lad where I'm going to do, well, kind of like a modern classic. I'm going to try and act out a scene in a multiple variety of different languages that I do not normally speak. Let's do it.
Oi!
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah. Yes, indeed. So a while back, I asked you guys on my Facebook page to translate this little scene for me, and I got a bunch of languages in, and so we're gonna go through this. The thing is, when you're filming these clips, you're kind of in a character, and then it's, you know, when you go from like Italian to Icelandic, it's hard to let go of the Italian character, and then you become this Italian Icelandic person, which is weird. But here we go. We're gonna play this out in a bunch of different languages, and we're gonna start with English. Why are you so lazy? I'm just sitting on the couch. Do something with your life. I will. You'll see. Where are you going? To take a nap. Warum bist du so faul? Ich sitze gerade auf der Couch. Mach was aus deinem Leben. Das werde ich. Du wirst sehen. Wo gehst du hin? Ein Nickerchen machen. Dlaczego jesteś takim leniem? Po prostu czesne na kanapie. Subsocie swoim życiem. Co robię? Zobaczysz. Gdzie idziesz? So szumnen się. Porque eres tan flojo. Solo estoy sentando en el sofá. Haz algo con tu vida. Lo haré, ya verás. ¿A dónde vas? A tomar una siesta. Waarom ben jij zo lui? Ik zit alleen maar op de bank. Doe iets met je leven. Dat zal je zien. Waar ga je naartoe? En dit je doen. Pourquoi tu es si paresseux? Je suis juste assis sur le canapé. Fais quelque chose de ta vie. Je vais, tu vas voir. Où tu vas? Faire une sieste? Seš tu si tolkova mulseliv? Orosti se sydja na divana. Napravi nešto se život dazi. Dobe, stay vidiš. Kaj du utivaš? Da si prodemna?
LITHUANIAN.
Kodel tu tok ti dinjiš? Ashtik silzi an sofos. Daruka norsu sa vu gevinnimu. Dariusi pamatusi. Kurini. Numikt.
Italia.
Perché sei così pigro? Sto solo seduto sul divano. Mai far qualcosa della tua vita. Lo farò, vedrai. Dove stai andando? A fare un pisolino.
Catalan.
Perché è San Mandros. So se stick sentat al sofà. Fes algo ambla te va vida. Ho faré, je velga. On va? A fer la migdiada.
ICELANDIC.
A kverju estu svåna lattish. Jag sitt bara a sån. Gör du itkull vid lite fit. Ci mundgera fois, ci aldutish. Feshestu alfara, allega mich.
Serbian.
Sastu titolikoen. Samosedim na kauchu? Urarinashtu sa svojim životom. Ochu videtje. Dve ides? Da dremnen. And we cut to me. I'm sitting here doing the editing and the video is about to go up and I just realized that I have forgotten Greek. Sorry, Chris. And I've forgotten Russian. Sorry, Daria. I'm a dumbass. Back to the video.
You suck!
And finally, let's do this thing in Swedish.
Swedish.
Varför är du så lat? Jag sitter bara i soffan. Gör något med ditt liv. Jag ska. Du ska se. Var ska du gå? Ta en tupplur. So there you go. That was me filling out this scene in a bunch of different languages. Sorry that I offended most of you guys. But for those of you who do speak these languages natively, what did you think? Was I anywhere close to something that resembled, oh, I can kind of understand what he was saying? Or was I so far off that I couldn't even see the line? The line was a dot to me. What's that from? But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow the Swedish language for daily updates on Instagram about anything related to Swedish and Swedish culture and anything Swedish at all. I will see you there, and have a fantastic, wonderful day. And don't forget to add a little emoji of an animal so I know you watched the whole thing.